Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, open Settings and tap on Display and Brightness. Here we've got all settings for our display. We can change brightness level or set it automatic. We can change color mode and temperature. Set sleep between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, or turn on or off dark mode. Then we can enable or disable eye comfort mode, adjust text and display size, change screen resolution or enable smart resolution. Then in more display settings, we can adjust full screen display apps, set screensaver, and adjust our status bar. For example, we can enable display carrier name and display network speed. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.